At last! At last! At last! Hi, this is Quinlan, and today I wanted to get out, enjoy the snow, this beautiful snowy weather, and just take a casual walk up a little mountain that's right next to Morioka. This is Mount Kurakake. There's not much wind, it's only about -5, maybe -7 degrees Celsius. The snow is perfect. All right, so let me show you this little trail. It's a beautiful snowy day to come out and just feel the snow. In the green season, this area is famously full of bears. And so this right here is a bell so that hikers can scare off the local bears. Of course, they're all hibernating right now, so I hope I didn't just wake them up. But a lot of trails have this sort of thing here to scare away bears. If you're the first person to come here after a heavy snowfall, these pink ribbons that are tied along the trail come in handy for making sure you know you're on the right track. They put them fairly high up on the trees because the snow can get really deep here. It's pretty much waist high right here. It's actually snowing now, not just coming down from the wind on the trees. Beautiful. It's about -5 degrees at the trailhead, but because I'm moving, it really doesn't feel cold at all. Plus, -5 Celsius isn't that cold. This right here says Ishigama Sansakuro, or sort of the walking trail towards the stone pot. According to local legend, hundreds of years ago, there was a tengu, a red-skinned ogre, a demon of sorts, who lived here and would prey upon the local forestry workers who would come here to make coal. Apparently, he would boil them in his giant pot, this Ishigama, and later leave their bones strewn about the trail. And I just made that up. There's no story like that at all, though, I don't know, maybe I'll start one. No, it's just a rock that's shaped kind of like a pot, and so they named it that, and there's a little walking trail that goes around it. It'd be more fun if there was some sort of story like that, wouldn't it? It could be slippery, but if you know where to put your feet, you don't really slide much. I saw on a post on the Yamap app that someone who came here at about 6 in the morning, there were no tracks and they weren't even able to make it to the top because they were just going through the deep snow all by themselves. So just today, in 5 hours, there have been so many people going up to this mountain that there's a nice clear track for us. As you can see, even if they're hibernating, people like the bear bells. Konnichiwa! Oh! Fukai! It's pretty deep, check this out. It goes in, what is this? Above my knees at any rate. Whew. Fun. Getting towards the top, just another 400 meters or so, and we'll be there. Ooh, 400 meters left to the summit. That's what this blue sign says. Every 100 meters there, giving you a nice reminder that you're almost there. Just a little bit farther. Speaking of bear bells, right below the summit with just 90 meters to go, according to that blue sign over there, there's another one of these little bear warning bells here. To be fair, there are lots of bears here, and I've even seen a bear here, and a lot of people I know have all seen bears here, though I don't think attacks here are common. Here we are, coming up to the summit of Mount Kurukake, which on normal days has a stunning view of Mount Iwate, but not today, not today. 897 meters, a humble summit, but a nice one. I guess you can kind of feel the presence of Mount Iwate right here, even if you can't see the summit of it. Bam! Here we are. Going down this initial slope is kind of the fun part, because now, even if you fall, you're just falling on soft snow. Let's zip down. Here we go! Woo! Be better with the sled, but this is pretty fun too. That was fun. That was fun. I just passed an old couple that were wearing bear bells still, and so I didn't want to embarrass them, so I didn't do it on camera, but I asked them, politely of course, why in the winter they had like about 3 different bear bells attached to their backpack, and they laughed and said it was just because they hadn't bothered to take them off their packs, and they just sort of have their hiking backpack set up and they just didn't think about it really, and just left them on. For a lot of these people, they're just so used to hearing the bear bell that that's maybe just the sound of hiking for them is bear bells, and so they don't mind. That's my small survey size anyways. As you can tell, the trail is well trodden, but sometimes you fall in this a little bit deeper. If you step just off it, you go in up to your knee. So you gotta watch out. I just asked another gentleman behind me who has some bear bells on as to his reason for wearing them during the winter season. And he said something different than the last couple I asked. His answer was that he's heard that there are bears that come out of hibernation or don't hibernate. And so he was wearing it for the same normal reason, just to scare away the bears that might still be up even in this snowy winter season. So, all right, I guess there's all sorts of reasons why you might still be wearing a bear bell. I learned something today. Ooh, there's a lot of snow in my hood and I just put it up. Oops. But because I'm here in the snow, I figured I gotta do the little jump in the snow thing, so. Da-da-da-da-da! Woo! Maybe I'll just lie here for a little while. This is actually rather comfortable, except for the snow that's on my face. Maybe I'll get up. Fun. Why even come out in the mountains if you're not going to play in the snow? All in all, it was 6.5 kilometers up and down with about 385 meters of ascent, so not much, pretty casual. And including all the filming I did and playing in the snow, it took me 2 hours and 32 minutes. Mount Kurakake in Takizawa, just to the west of Morioka. I think it's a lot of fun for casual family hikes, if you live in this area or nearby. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the trails.